Load the PCB and front cover, then laser engrave a 2D code onto the front cover. Load the lens, then assemble and fasten it with the front cover and PCB. Surface oxidation and roughening of the AA object are performed using plasma to enhance bonding strength. Perform 6-axis active alignment of the lens and sensor. Then rapidly precure using UV light. Place products into a chamber oven for thermal curing. Then cool it using ionized airflow. Assemble and fasten the back cover with the semi-finished product from the previous station. Laser weld the front and back covers and inspect product quality using AOI. Assemble and fasten the connector to the semi-finished product, completing the automatic assembly of all components. Perform a burn-in test under power and high-temperature conditions, monitoring the image frame rate and current levels. Cool down the product after burn-in test. Place the product in a sealed chamber for pressure testing to ensure airtightness. Calibrate lens distortion to establish accurate three-dimensional spatial coordinates. Evaluate a camera quality using dark and white field tests and SFR chart environments. Unload and place the finished product onto the tray.